Good morning, class 4. This is me, Nitish, your English teacher from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada, and welcome back again in e-learning program. Today we are going to start the first lecture video of chapter number 8, Know Your Teeth. It is the 8th chapter of your course book, Know Your Teeth. As we all know that teeth is very important part of our body. Without teeth, we can't eat, tear and chew our food, and if we can't chew and tear our food properly, then it may cause indigestion, because the task of stomach and intestine will turn hard if you will put your food particles into your body without chewing it. So we use our teeth to cut up and chew our food. Our teeth also helps us in speech. Without teeth we can't speak, we can't say anything else properly. They help us to form a certain sound. We can't speak properly if we have no teeth in our mouth. Many of time you have watched that most of the old people are very unclear sound. They all have very unclear sound because they have very less number of teeth in their mouth, because teeth helps in a good and proper pronunciation of each and every words. So without teeth our voice is very improper. So in this chapter we will discuss about the different function of our teeth and what is the important role of these body parts in our day-to-day life, and how many kinds and varieties of teeth we have and what is their function properly. So as the title suggests of that know your teeth, you can easily understand whatever I will teach you. So most of babies are born without teeth. Newborn baby are without teeth. When the baby is about 6 months old, the first teeth called milk teeth begin to grow. By then of about two and a half, by the year of about 2.5, the child has all the 20 milk teeth in each jaw. So within some year, newborn baby get their appropriate number of teeth in their jaws. As the child grow, those milk teeth become loose and fall out, because milk teeth is very temporary. This is not long lasting, this is not so durable as like a permanent teeth that will come after your temporary teeth, that means milk teeth. They are replaced by the set of permanent teeth. In all there are 32 teeth, 16 in lower jaw and 16 in upper jaw. So now you can easily understand the number of teeth, you can easily count the number of teeth. Within 2 to 3 years after the birth of the baby, after the birth of any baby, their temporary teeth fall down, and then after the set of permanent teeth appears. So here we have some different types of teeth we have: incisor, canine, molar. We have 3 different kinds of teeth in each and every jaw in order to perform a different function in our mouth. The 8 teeth at front, 4 lower and 4 upper, are used for cutting the food particles. They are called incisor. The next 4, that means 2 lower and 2 in upper jaw, are pointed teeth. They are canine. They are used for tearing food particles. in scissor used for cutting the food particles, and canines used for tear the food particles. The next 20, 10 upper and 10 lower jaw are chewing teeth. They are called molar. In upper jaw 10th and in lower jaw 10th. That means total number of molar teeth is 20 in our mouth. The permanent teeth are usually appear between the 6th and the year 12th, but the 4 wisdom teeth, 2 lower and 2 upper, don't appear until we are 20 to 25 year of age. So the wisdom teeth appears in the age of 20 to 25. That means when you at your maturity level, then this wisdom teeth come out. So in this following video we come across the different function and